Good morning, student of class 6th E. How are you? I hope you all will be fine at your home. I am Abdul Rashid and today I am teaching you in GK. This is your book for class 6th E. Tell me more general knowledge and life skill GK book for class 6th E. As you can see, your first chapter is Journey Etiquette, Unit 1 Life Skill, Unit 2 is Nature in your book, Unit 3 is Science and Technology, Unit 4 Language and Literature, Unit 5 India and World, Unit 6 Sports and Entertainment, and Unit 7 Brain Teaser. There are total Unit 7 in your book and 63 chapters. Now today I will teach you chapter number 1, that is Journey Etiquette. Class 6th subject GK, Journey Etiquette, chapter number 1. To meet distant people like our relative or family friend, we travel from one city to another or sometimes to another state also. This traveling is called journey. We often travel by a bus or a train. First, I would explain you what do you mean by etiquette. The word etiquette refers to a group of rules and codes to behave or how to do different things in proper way. That is called journey etiquette. Now journey etiquette means a group of rules that you should follow during journey. To meet distance people, we always travel through by bus or train. That is called journey. Now come to the exercise. Given below are some statements about journey. Take the right or cross the wrong ones and know more about journey etiquette. In this exercise, some statements are given below and you have to tick right along the right statement and cross along the wrong ones and know about journey etiquette. First, we should pack our clothes properly while preparing for the journey. Yes, we should always pack our clothes while preparing for journey. This is a right statement. Second, we should take along necessities like water bottle, medicines and snack with us. Yes, this is also right. This is also right statement. Why? Because we should always take necessities like water bottle, medicines, etc. Third, we should leave the home with empty stomach or without eating anything. We should never leave home with empty stomach. This statement is wrong. Fourth, we can take some family fun games like playing card with us in a long rail journey. This is your question number 4. We can take some family fun games like playing card with us in a long rail journey. This statement is right, because if we don't want to be bored, we should take some fun games. Fifth, we should stay with our parents at bus or railway station while waiting. Yes, this is also a right statement. We should always stay with our parents while waiting at bus stands or railway station. Sixth, we should enjoy the eatables sold by the hawkers or at the bus or railway station. This is a wrong statement. We should never enjoy the eatables sold by the hawkers at the bus or railway station. This is a wrong statement. Seventh, we should step out of bus or train alone if it stops at any midway restaurant or station. This is a false statement. We should never step out of bus or train alone if it stops at midway restaurant or station. 8. We should stick our hand out of bus or train window. This is also a false statement. We should never stick our hand out of bus or train window. 9. We should always talk in low voice while traveling in a bus or train. This is a right statement. We should always talk in low voice while traveling in bus or train. 10. We should keep the fruits, peels, wrappers of eatable, etc. in separate bags so that we can throw it later in a dustbin. This is a right statement. Now, this is my name and this is my home mobile number. Now, in the next class, I will give you this exercise as homework. Solved exercise I will give you in the next class and you will write it in your copy. Thank you. Now for today's homework, just read it. Thank you.